Welcome to the time capsule of all eternity, aka if you've ever watched Austin Powers, The Spy Who Shagged Me, and he goes back in time. This is the space. No, I'm just kidding, guys. This is where our shipping home containers are actually painted. Because some people are like, do you actually paint them or you just leave them how they are? Absolutely not. So we have this incredible contraption which has all of these systems of light. So like you literally every single detail will be caught. So here we bring the shipping home containers and you can see kind of like the spray. We set it down right over here. We prime it with paint and then we put 2 coats of marine grade paint on there, meaning like whatever boats are painted with, these are painted with for longevity, which is absolutely amazing. As fun as this place is, and it looks like a time capsule and or the NSYNC music video of Bye Bye Bye, it actually is our painting studio, if you will. So it is the coolest thing, and it makes sure that the containers can last forever without any rust for you.